Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to view pending robux in Roblox. So first of all, log into your account, all right? And then after you log into your account, go to the robux section. Click on the robux icon at the top right corner of the page. Wait for a few moments right here. You're going to see robux. Click on it. And basically, if you have pending robux from sales or other activities, you'll see the total amount displayed. Pending robux typically takes about 3 days to process before being fully added to your account. That's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.